This is going to be like the first preview.
It will look slightly different in
Maybe
3 months or so.
Yeah. You guys ready?
Yoo-hoo!
3, 2, 1. I think the next one is ours. And we are in Conegliano.
And we are in Conegliano.
It says music. Huh, nice. We moved our headquarters from Venice to Conegliano, where the construction of the new creative center continues.
It's going on.
The alpha phase in Venice actually served as a pilot phase to test the infrastructure that we are going to implement here in Conegliano.
Yeah, it was a good test. A very good test.
You want to show me the way?
Yeah.
Which way are we going to go?
Straight.
Straight. Straight. One thing about Conegliano, there's always music.
Thank God.
Yeah, everywhere. DJ set playing right there. Which way shall we go?
Straight.
This way?
Yeah.
I hate this. It's so challenging.
Yeah, it's not easy with small wheels.
As usual, I go too fast. Always, sorry, I was already moving ahead. Beautiful view of Conegliano, downtown.
Amazing view, Conegliano.
I thought you wanted to go all the way up.
No, that way.
Okay, we go that way. This is the equivalent of New York's Times Square or Piccadilly's right there.
Right there.
Conegliano's version.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's cross. We can go up or we can go left.
Yeah, as you wish.
Let's go left. It's smoother. So from Conegliano we'll manage all operations from now on. And it's still a work in progress. We're still in full construction mode. But we're moving along well. Whoop, wait. I was saying, so here the road is not that good, like to ride it with the board, so we're just gonna step out. Look at this little park. Ooh.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful. I almost killed myself down there before.
I saw you. I saw you. That's why I have bigger wheels.
Yeah, you ran quite well with that.
It's not bad.
Huh?
Yeah.
Is the first week you've been riding it, or how long have you been riding that for?
3 weeks, I would say.
How's it going so far?
It's really cool. Super cool. Yeah, no pollution.
Yeah, it's green.
No cars.
So as I was saying, a few years ago I built XYZ, this website, and I built it as if it was an actual building where instead of pages we had rooms, and each room had a purpose. And the goal with that project was to have a digital space that could be used to work with other artists to work on creative projects. And so I thought, well, we could do way more if we had space also in the real world.
Yeah.
So this building is going to be the first extension in the real world of XYZ. And I'm still not sure how we're going to call this creative center.
XYZ.
Let's call it XYZ. Yeah, why not?
It's XYZ.
XYZ.
Our little baby.
Yeah, well, little, it's actually not that little, but...
It's not really little. But you know what? It's our personal project, so...
Yeah, yes, it is. I can get my hair straight. I don't know, like today's been crazy.
Was it?
Yeah, definitely. So now
Here we go.
you're about to see, this is gonna be like the first preview of the center.
Yeah.
Huh?
It will look slightly different in
Slightly different.
maybe 3 months or so.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah.
So should we give them a preview? You guys ready?
Yoo-hoo!
3, 2, 1. And there you go. First extension of XYZ in the real world. Coming in?
Yeah.
Well, as we said, it's still a work. It's still a work in progress. Mind your step. I think as a next step, we'll have to start to bring in some furniture here. No?
Yeah.
We're gonna get some tracks delivering all the stuff from archives,
Yes.
and
We have it all planned already.
yeah.
We're just waiting for them to arrive.
there's been a lot of planning. So you wanna do a call to action?
I will. Remember to subscribe, like this video.
Actually, this call to action will work. I
Really?
never believe in it because I always said, hey, if you like it, subscribe. But
That's why I'm doing it.
yeah,
You have to
she
believe in
takes
me.
care of the call to action.
Yes.
So we're gonna release more videos. We're gonna keep you posted with the
Yes.
construction work, and we're gonna see the new center, well, growing and coming to life, I guess.
Yeah. Subscribe.
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 And I got my part.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.